One of the things that I think everybody who I know who used to be poor, like when you haven't made it, when you're broke, you always feel like it's never gonna happen.
Right.
You always feel like it's completely out of touch. Like, I'm poor, I'm always gonna be poor, this fucking struggle's never gonna go away. But when you're around people who used to be poor too, but they figured out how to do it, you go, oh, they're just a fucking person.
Right.
You know, and when you see some dude and he's in some corner office in some giant ass building and he's a CEO of the company, you can't imagine that at one point in that guy's life, he was fucked up.
Right,
like at one point in his life, he was depressed and lost and failing in school and couldn't figure it out, you know, and was wondering about his future. And almost every successful person that I've ever met had some crazy adversity early on. They figured their way through that, and then they figured out how to become successful, partially even because of that. So when you're on like a train and everybody's all together, I think it's one of the best sort of ways to keep that separation, that us and them separation, with like the classes especially, because that's a real fucking mindset of rich people and a real mindset of poor people, that there's two different groups of us. But it's so stupid. It's not, it's just a bunch of people and they're on the same journey that you're on in a different direction, just maybe a little bit further down the road. Or maybe they didn't stop as many times as you did. Maybe they didn't get flat tires. Maybe they didn't, you know, have as many potholes in the road. But we're all just on this fucking same thing. We're all just people. So when you look at some dude, you know, you're poor and you got holes in your sneakers, and some guy's got a Rolex on and he's wearing this expensive suit and he's got cufflinks and he's checking his newspaper and reading the Wall Street Journal, and you look at his expensive shoes, like, this motherfucker's got some money, man. How the hell did he do that? And I'm here a loser. He just did it. He's just a person, just like you, man. Every single person who has ever done anything worthwhile or exceptional or difficult or extraordinary, anyone, whether it's great artists or authors or mathematicians or whatever the fuck it is, everyone encounters difficulties. There is no easy road. It does not exist. It is impossible. Everyone has issues. If you have time to pursue a hobby, if you have time to do anything in your life, you can better yourself. And here's one way you never better yourself: when you come up with excuses for why other people are successful and you're not. That shit is fucking dangerous. When you give yourself an escape, yeah, well, that's easy for you to say, you know, you do this, you do, and to trust me, everybody has a hard road. We all go through hard times. We all go through depression. We all go through doubt and moments in your life where it's really fucking difficult and you're trying to figure out what the fuck your path is gonna be. It's hard as shit. But that is what makes you a person. And those difficult moments are what build your character.